Uniting for Glaucoma Free World HAIBA theme da CHAYOL ama CHUPNA CHATHAGADABA World Glaucoma Week 2025 Ngasi CHINGMEIRONG da LEIBA Classic GRANDE Achamba Thouram Amaga Loinana Houdokhre National Program for Control of Blindness and Visually Impaired National Health Mission Amade Directorate of Health Services Manipur na silaga pangthokiba thoram aduda Health Services Manipur ge Director Chambo Konmai National Health Mission Manipur ke State Mission Director Dr. M. Dinesh Amade Family Welfare Department ke Director Dr. N. Hemanta Kumar na Thouram ki athoiba mitunglen sing oina saruk yakhe Thouram maduka mari leinana Health Services Manipur ki Director Chambo Konmai na hai Glaucoma na haina leina ase malem ki oina yamna concern oiba leina makhal ama oirakle Malem gi oina miyoi million marifurom glaucoma hairiba laina asina nai laina asina sokchin khiba tarabate amuk hanna layengba yaroitaba mawngda mit tanghanba ngame laina ase ngallingai ta khangtok haurabate matam chana layengduna kalhoba yai cataract ka glaucoma ga yamna khenai Cataract yamna laina layengduna fahanba ngami adubo glaucoma de optic nerve ta naba laina oibana amukpu sokhrabade amuk hana recover toba ngamde maram asuna glaucoma ge matangda miyamda awareness piba mathau tai haina mahakna makha takhe
yabam khaidi akhoi public myam chingsna awareness se piba dakar le mohisu khangpham thui aduna media asylum all the public people, all the citizens, all the institutions, we need to give awareness to all the people so that they can take precaution. Say for the whole world, 80 million people that are suffering from this disease, glaucoma. And exact figure for the state, I should be on there. Many people are suffering silently, and daily in the OPD, IOPD today, asumahina dum laktuna leirabne cases detect tawduna leibane. Aduna early stage da akoina mit nu yang manuai da khotpa leirdi tuna yang thokmana phagani hena haining.